Hi, welcome to my channel Tech Trivia. I'm Siddharth and started a new video series, Put Your Skills into Practice, where I'm mainly going to cover practical implementation of Salesforce features. This is episode 2, where I'm going to cover formulas. Case study 2.1. Genwatt, a generator manufacturing company, is offering two different types of discounts to the customers. Currently, the sales team is calculating discount outside of Salesforce using Excel spreadsheets and then updating totals in Salesforce system. There are mainly two types of discounts. The negotiated discount rate is a kind of permanent discount. Genwatt has negotiated its product price with a few legacy customers. So every time those customers buy generators, Genwatt gives them discount. The discount rate is kind of a one-time discount. The sales user, when closing an opportunity, offers discount to the customer that applies just on that one opportunity. To fix the problem, we are going to create negotiated discount rate field on the account. We are going to create discount rate field on the opportunity, and also we're going to create a few formula fields on opportunity to calculate the discounted price. So without further delay, let's get started. So we are using Salesforce Developer Relation account for all practicals. If you don't have the one, then I'm gonna add the link in the description using which you can create your own Salesforce Developer Edition account and that to be free of cost. After logging in your developer org, you need to click on the Object Manager tab and then you need to click on the account option, the first link in the list. Left-hand side, you'll see a few options. You need to click on Fields and Relationships. You'll see all account fields on this page. You need to click on the New button to create a new field. The field type should be percent and then click on the Next. Field label should be negotiated discount rate. The length should be 2 and the decimal places should be 2. So the maximum discount can be given is 99.99%. Click on the next. Make sure this field is visible to all of the profiles by checking the visible checkbox. Next. Click on the save. Great. Now we are going to create a field on opportunity object as well. So click on the Object Manager tab again, and then in Quick Find, search for opportunity and click on the link. After that, click on Fields and Relationships. Here, you need to click on the New button to create a new field, and the data type should be percent. And then click on the Next. The field label should be discount rate. Length should be 2. decimal places should be 2. The maximum discount that can be given is 99.99%. Click on the next. Check the visible checkbox on the top. Click on the next. And then click on the Save in New to create one other field. Alright, now we created 2% fields. One is on the account to store negotiated discount rate and one on the opportunity to store the discount rate. Now we are going to create formula fields to calculate the discounted amount. Select formula in the data type and then hit next. The field label should be negotiated discount amount. Return type should be currency. Then click next. First time when you are creating the formula field, you will be landed on the simple formula tab. You need to simply click on the advanced formula option. And now we're going to build a formula. So click on the insert field button. We have to add the negotiated discount rate field in the formula. So do that. You have to click the first option, account with an arrow. That opens up the third box and that displays all accounts fields. You can click on any one of them and then press N to find negotiated discount rate field. Click on insert. Scroll down and then click on check syntax. No syntax errors, so we're good to continue. The last option says blank field handling. We want to treat blank as zeros, so leave the first option check. Click next. Make it visible for all the profiles. Hit next and then click Save and New. The data type should be formula and then click on the next. Field label, discount amount. The return type should be currency. Click next. In the formula editor, click on insert field. Select amount from the second box and then click insert. Then click insert operator and select multiply. Again click on insert field and select discount rate. So click any field in the second box and then press D to find discount rate field. After inserting discount rate, click on check syntax button. Everything is good. Click next. Make it visible for all the profiles. Click next and then click Save in New. We got two formulas. One that calculates the negotiated discount amount and the second one calculates the discount amount. We are going to create the third formula field that displays the total discount amount. So the data type should be formula. Click next and then give the label total discount amount. The return type should be currency. Click next. Step number 3. In formula editor, click on insert field and then select negotiated discount amount, then click insert button, then click on the insert operator option and select add, and then click on insert field again and now select discount amount field. Click on insert, click check syntax, no errors, all good. Click on the next, make it visible for all the profiles, click next, and then click save and new. So we got total discount amount, and now we are going to display the final discounted amount. So select formula once again, click on the next, and then in the field label just type amount after discount and select currency as return type. Click next. Click on insert field and select amount. Click on insert button and then click on insert operator and select subtract, and then click on the insert field button and select total discount amount. Insert it and then click check syntax to validate the formula. Everything is good. Click next, next, and save. So just to summarize everything quickly, we created two percent fields. One is on account, negotiated discount rate. Other one is on opportunity discount rate. And then we created two formula fields, one to calculate the negotiated discount amount and other one is to calculate the discount amount. The third formula we created to display the sum of both of the discounts, total discount amount. And then the last formula field we created is amount after discount, that is just amount minus total discount. Now we are all set to verify our formulas. So top left corner, click on the app launcher and then search for opportunities and click on opportunities. Hey, wait a minute. Are you enjoying the video? Then please give a thumbs up and share this with as many people as you can. And if you are new to the channel, then please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to get notified for my upcoming video. So on the top search bar, search for Jenny Point and there is an account, Jenny Point. Click on the account, then click on the details. You notice the negotiated discount rate is blank. Let's add 5%, just a 5, and then save it. So now we are expecting 5% discount on all the opportunity we create under this account. So click on the related option, left side, and then if you scroll down, there is an opportunity section, and at right side there is new button. Click on that, and let's create a new opportunity. Amount I'm gonna add as 500,000. Any future close date. So make sure you add an amount because all our formulas are calculated based on the amount value. Choose any future close date and any stage of your choice. If you scroll down, there is the discount rate. Add 5% over there and click on the save. So what we are expecting here is this opportunity gets 5% discount from negotiated discount rate and 5% discount right here from the discount rate. Total 10% discount. Click on the save and then click on the opportunity name, 5 new generators, and you verify the amount you added is 500,000, and so the 5% of 500,000 is 25,000. That's a discount amount. 25,000 is negotiated discount amount. 50,000 is the total discount amount, and amount after discount is 450,000. Now if I remove the 5% we added at the opportunity level, and when I'm going to save it, I'm expecting just a 5% discount on this opportunity. And you notice now, so the discount amount is zero, and just a 25,000 is discount from the negotiated discount rate. And the amount after discount is 475,000. The sales users no longer need to calculate the discounts in Excel spreadsheets because now our formulas in Salesforce calculates the discounts for them. That is it. If you have any suggestions, please add your comment on this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.